Hi, everybody, and welcome to today's cryptocurrency analysis. Right, you're welcome to the Altcoin Doctor channel, and today we would be discussing the number one, the king of all the altcoins, and it's Bitcoin. Right, we would be discussing about Bitcoin, about the analysis for Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin currently at the filming of this video is at 16,800, and I'll be telling you the analysis that will be happening for the next few weeks. What would be happening to the price of Bitcoin? We can see for the year we are actually down 66%. For the month we're down 0.5%, and for this week we're already down 2.2%. For today we're already up 0.2%, but I'll be telling you what I expect to happen on the chart as regards Bitcoin. Please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, as we would be giving you cutting edge information as what will be happening to Bitcoin in the next coming few days, weeks, and even months for you to be able to properly position yourself and make good money from even the markets, right? And today we are looking at we're starting from the Bitcoin USDT chart. We're on the weekly time frame. Binance is the data source. And as you can see, we're pushing right down from the top on the weekly. We have been seeing that we are very bearish. We're quite bearish. I began to call for tops around this place and said probably you should be selling out of the market, right? You had your moon boy shouting at you and telling you, "Oh God, it's the last chance! It's the last chance!" And you can see we had a big push to the downside. And I'll be telling you probably what I expect and what the chart is telling us, what probably we could see Bitcoin do in the coming few days and weeks. And as you can see, we probably should expect a little push even to the upside, probably even up to the 19,000 region. So in the next few days, I probably expect one full fake out before we push to the downside. And I'll be giving you five several reasons why I believe we should be having a very, very big fake out to the upside and then the last crash, which we should be expecting, right? If we click on the indicators, as you can see, we're quite bullish on the weekly. Every time we see this D on the money flow, it means we should expect a huge price, probably to the upside. As you can see, we're having our Ds here, right, telling us that a heavy amount of money was leaving Bitcoin, and probably we should get out. So every time we have a red D, we probably should be thinking of getting out, especially on the weekly time frame. As you can see, we had another D here. We had a huge push to the downside. We had a D here, and that was exactly the top. I was warning everybody, we have a D on the chart. Get out, get out, get out. And as you can see, we had a huge push to the downside. But for now, we're having a huge D, which is a green sign of the D. And as you can see, it's telling us we probably should have a large push to the upside that's going to fake a lot of people, right? We're going to have one large, huge fake out, right? As you can see, so we should be expecting a push to the upside. As you can see, both on our oscillators, we are having a bullish divergence. So we probably should be expecting a push to the downside at the moment, right? So on the weekly, it's telling us we should be expecting a push to the upside. If we come over to a 3 days time frame, as you can see, a 3 days time frame giving us the levels, right? These are the levels we should be respecting, right? Even though we are below our EMA ribbons, right, on the 3 days time frame, and we said every single time we are below the EMA ribbons, we're bearish on such a time frame. We could actually see a push up and to retest the EMA ribbons at the top, right? At the top, right? We could see huge resistance at the 20K, right? So we should be expecting to have a push up at the very least the 17K region, right? If we can flip this support, then we should still be saying we should be expecting the 20K region, but probably I am expecting a push to the upside, and you should be expecting to. So we need to see one last fake out before we have a push down even to the 12,000 region. If we see, if we open our chart, and we could see the money flow. As you can see, the money flow showing us that we should have long, that we took a long here. If you can watch our videos, we're saying we expect more push even to the upside. And now also, as you can see, we should be expecting a little push to the downside, but a continuous push to the upside. So we probably should be expecting same thing with our oscillator. As you can see, moving to the upside like a boss, we probably should be expecting a huge push to the upside for one last fake out, right? Fake everybody out, balloon everybody out before we can push to the downside. And as you can see, our daily time frame giving us how it's meant to be, right? We have seen, we're saying that we probably should expect, right, a push to the downside, a resistance at the 18,000 region, and we currently could push even to the 17,500 or 600, even at the very least. One large, huge fake out. So probably we should be expecting a push to the upside. On the meantime, if we bring up our indicators, as you can see, right, as our money flow showing that some little amount of money is coming into Bitcoin, and so we probably should expect to see Bitcoin push even to the upside in the upcoming few days and weeks, right? As you can see, our oscillator is coming down, but it's about to flip bullish. As you can see, this is a bullish divergence, so we probably should be expecting one last push up, even probably a sideways action for the next few days, and then a push to even the 17,500 and then even the 18,000. So probably we should be expecting this move. In the meantime, it could happen every single time. It's going to be one last shakeout, one last push to the upside to get all the moon boys shouting, "Hey, we're back to the moon," blah 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 blah, and we could see a huge push to the downside. So be expecting the push to be downside. Remember, this is not financial advice, and this is just we analyzing the charts and telling you what I believe is gonna happen in the next few days. We have been correct on this channel. We have been predicting it right. Remember, this is not financial analysis or this is not financial advice. Sorry, this is just our analysis. Remember, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, as we would continue giving you more analysis like this. And if you want us to analyze your favorite coins, please do not forget to put them in the comment section, right? As we would be analyzing all your coins at the moment. Thank you and have a great day.